I want to make sure from today.
She was going to get this, and he said no. There's oatmeal. Do you like oatmeal?
I don't know.
He was the one who gave your daughter the oatmeal. If he wanted to give her this, he wouldn't suggest she gets oatmeal.
Whatever they give me, I take it, give it to my daughter.
So that's what I'm puzzled about. He was the one who suggested we should get the oatmeal.
No, I don't know what they're giving my daughter. Whatever.
So usually when they come late, they get this. But he took it. Go give it to her, and he said no.
Whatever
she should get the oatmeal.
That's what I'm taking. I'm not asking oatmeal. I'm not asking anything. I found the guy eating. I say, what is this? I never seen this food. How can I like it? How can I eat a food that it's not belonging to me? Exactly. I don't want to get out here and they say, this lady, she's coming here. No. Stop for today. It never happened. It's not going to happen. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. I'm not taking anybody's penny. Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
How did we go wrong? How did I go wrong this morning?
No. Because I don't want to. Excuse my mind. That's how it's cultural. These people here don't like me. I'm telling you that.
No, but like it's very easy. You know, like yesterday Abdul Qadir come to me, he said he's hungry. I take him to Winfield. I say go ask Winfield, and he come, he say I need some food. And Winfield give it to him.
That's what I'm saying. This is amazing. That's what this is amazing. The point is she was going to get this. And he said, no, you came in late. You like oatmeal?
I know, I was here.
I wanted her to eat something hot.
I was here when he was asking.
10 all over the place and turn into a witch and a half.
Bad words, but they don't say bad words.